ओए तो यही तो बैठ कर दो वहाँ पे। हेलो, सवाल लिख के आओ सारे।
Yes.
ठीक है, फिर मैं सारे जवाब दूंगा। करे फिर।
My question is that is captaincy harder than homework?
I think it's at par because homework. When I was in school, I hated homework. I just wanted to play cricket. I just wanted to finish school and then just play cricket. But then I had to do homework, right? Because studies are very important. But captaincy is at par. I've captained my domestic side where I live, Assam, for a few years. But then this is going to be a different challenge, but I look forward to it.
Hello sir, my name is Aryan Mishra and I am from Rajasthan Royals Academy, Pune. My question is, did you ever think this would happen when you were my age?
Yes. I came from a very small town in Assam. So that's when I was 8-9 years old. My dad always asked me, do you want to play cricket just for fun or do you want to play for India? And he asked me that twice, when I was 8 years old and when I was 12 years old. And dono time my answer was I want to play for the country, or that I possibly can. So yes, when I started playing the IPL, I always had this ambition or one goal that I want to lead the side, I want to be with this side forever, and I never wanted to switch sides. So now that I haven't and I'm in this position, I can fairly say that I did dream about this.
Rohan Marwekar, and my question is, how do you feel after knowing that you are the captain of Rajasthan Royals?
First of all, very grateful. I've been with this franchise for what, 7 years, my 8th year this year, and actually getting to this stage where I started out as a 18-year-old kid and now I'm 24 captaining the side. I think it's very humbling. I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Moreover, the fact that I understand they're trusting my abilities to lead the side, but then just this whole journey. I'm so grateful for this whole journey and really excited to see where this goes.
Do captains get a bigger room to live?
I think they do. Yeah, we get everyone gets normal size room, but I'm in captain for the first time, so this time I'll know if we do actually get bigger rooms, and when I do get to know, I'll let you know.
What do you do when people say things about you?
It's a very good question. When I started, or my bacha tha, 18-19 years old, I actually listened to a lot of people. Whatever people told me, I always would listen to them. So now what I've tried to do, what I'm doing right now is, I don't listen to what other people say. I know if I've practiced enough, and if I have an exam tomorrow, I need to study about it properly. And then when I'm giving that exam, I just want to be fully prepared so I can pass that exam. And that's the same with cricket.
Do you like wearing pink?
I love wearing pink. अगर आप मुझे 2018 में देखते, when I was 17 years old, I would always wear bright colors and pink was one of them. So I love wearing pink.
सर, आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन था आपके टीम में?
ध्रुव और जायसवाल,
ध्रुव।
क्योंकि उनके साथ बहुत सारा टाइम स्पेंड किया और बहुत सारे, अभी तो यशस्वी के साथ ऑलमोस्ट 5 साल हो गए, 5-6 साल हो गए, ध्रुव के साथ 4 साल हो गए, वो दो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं.
What would you do if the bowler is bowling bad?
Bowlers bowling
Bad.
bad and I'm the captain and we're fielding.
What would you say to him or convince? Or like tell him to do good and he does it?
What I always do is I try and slow it down. If it's a crunch situation, I always try and slow it down. कि मैं बोलता हूँ आप 2 मिनट ले लो, 2 मिनट ले लो, थोड़ी लंबे सांसें ले लो, and just tell me what you want to do. When you ask someone what he wants to do, he's a little unsure. But then जब आप उसको एक reinforcement देते हो कि I think you should do this, and if he agrees to it, then we can come together at a similar game plan. और अगर वो खराब बॉल डाल रहा है, जब एक कैप्टन उसको जाके बोलता है तो he's got this assurity कि हाँ, कैप्टन ने मुझे बोला है कि ये डालना है, तो अब खराब भी हो तो वो देख लेंगे अभी, करेक्ट, जब वो खराब डाल रहा है. I think that's what I always do. कि I give them an option. If they want to do that, they do that. और अगर खराब हो भी गया तो मेरे ऊपर है कि हाँ कोई बात नहीं, मैं देख लूँगा.
How much marks did you get in 10th class?
पता था मुझे ये 76 कितना 80 सही में 80 कुछ था, और 12th में 76%, 8th में 80 कुछ %.
आपका फेवरेट मूवी?
फेवरेट मूवी कौन सा है? वॉर मूवी देखी ऋतिक रोशन की.
सर उसमें आपका फेवरेट डायलॉग?
उसमें फेवरेट डायलॉग कुछ नहीं, उसमें बस जो ऋतिक रोशन उससे आता है ना, हेलीकॉप्टर से नीचे आता है ऐसे वॉक करके, वो मेरा फेवरेट सीन है बस।
सर तो कोई और मूवी का फेवरेट डायलॉग होगा?
कुछ नहीं यार, मैं मूवी देखता नहीं, मैं क्या बोलूँ भाई, रिश्ते में तुम्हारे बाप लगता है, नाम है शहंशाह।
सर आपका फेवरेट आइडल कौन है क्रिकेट में?
तुम्हें क्या लगता है कौन है बताओ? विराट कोहली।
ऐसा कौन सा बॉलर है जिसको आपको छक्के मारना बहुत हार्ड लगता है?
बुमराह।
इसका निकनेम बुमराह है।
बुमराह नाम है, क्यों? करके दिखा। तो तेज बॉल डालता है तू भाई, सही में है बुमराह है ना निकनेम। वेरी नाइस।
सर हमारी टीम इतने सालों से जीती नहीं है, तो आपके अच्छे कैप्टनसी से तो इस टूर्नामेंट अभी IPL आ रहा है उसको जिताने की कोशिश करेंगे।
थैंक यू सो मच, पूरी कोशिश करेंगे। थैंक यू गाइस। हाँ आ जाओ।